In this episode, I'm going to look at the open-top sightseeing buses that you see in many cities around the world. Here I am in Johannesburg. Sightseeing is, of course, an important part of travelling, and it's why people want to go and see other places. But seeing different attractions requires proper guiding and interpretation. Depending on the city, it's sometimes difficult to get proper guides, knowing where to go and how to go about it. An easy way to overcome this is the idea of the open-top red bus. It's ubiquitous around many different destinations from country to country. Tourists know and have that security that they can have a guided experience and get around and see the cities quite easily in an open-top bus. And one of the good things about the open-top bus is we have the headphones and the headphone jack, where we can listen to different language. The GPS-based audio commentary explains many of the sites as you go past them. So if you're stuck in traffic lights, it doesn't matter, it'll pause until I get to the next attraction. There's 16 different languages, so it caters to many different types of tourists. One of the good things about these open-top buses is the ability to hop on and hop off, allowing the tourists to spend as long as they want at a particular stop. The fact that it's a double-decker bus allows you to sit downstairs if it's bad weather, or go upstairs and enjoy a 360-degree view if it's nice weather, enjoying the fresh air and sunshine. In this part of the journey, I'm going from the city centre of Johannesburg to Soweto, past the gold dumps. So Johannesburg's initial wealth came from its gold. It's a modern-day El Dorado. The history of the city can be seen through its different architecture, shown here. Often these bus tours have a one-day option and also a two-day option for those who want to get off and spend more time at the individual attractions. In Johannesburg, I went for both the city tour and the green tour. So in a potentially dangerous city such as Johannesburg, this open-top bus with the guide and the audio is a perfect way to get around. Safety and security is one issue that tourists really want. Tourists tend to avoid dangerous destinations. Don't forget to like this video and click on the Travel Professor icon to subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes from the Travel Professors. Enjoy your travels!